Can I really buy anything with my Trusty Plus card using crypto? Yes, the Trusty Plus card work just like a regular bank card, but it's linked to your crypto balance. You just need to top up from your crypto wallet crypto to your card balance. Then you can use it anywhere that accepts that card. Groceries, restaurants, subscriptions, travel, restaurant, or even small everyday purchase like a metro. When you pay with your card, your crypto is instantly converted, so you don't have to wait or manually exchange it. It's like having your digital coins turns into cash in your pocket at the moment you pay. Even beginners can feel confident because everything happens fast, safe, and simple. No complicated menus, no delays, just in real time usable for your crypto.